Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Everything is everything.
Today it is the holiday edition as well as the She's Hot contest.
That's
so everyone,
right.
get ready to see your winner because your winner is a 10 out of 10 voted by you, the people. But Dr. Ross, who's our winner for the She's Hot contest?
Our winner today is Miss Rosario Dawson. Miss Dawson is an American actress and a producer. She made her debut feature film in the 1995 independent drama Kids. You might know her from Percy Jackson, Dope Sick, Daredevil, Luke Cage. Congratulations once again, Miss Dawson, on your win for the She's Hot contest.
Congratulations. And Dr. Ross, she has a large portfolio.
She does. She even she bought a whole area of land. We're gonna put the pictures right here where she bought it for her family and her friends to stay. And we like what you're doing. We like how your mindset is moving.
That's right. We like how she's playing it, Dr. Ross.
That's right.
You know, I have to take you out one day in a Winnebago because we hear that you traveled cross country with your father. And we can only say good things. That's for you, Miss Rosario.
Congratulations once again.
That's right. Congratulations. We're going to get into our hot topics, starting off with the Kardashian roundup.
That's right. Pissy Pete has to go. We're tired of seeing of him, and he needs some medicine. His eyes look a little bit sick. Maybe he needs some sleep, but he needs to go. He needs to go. And apparently Kanye West is saying that he's not too pleased about it either, and that he thinks Kim Kardashian and Pete Davidson are not as serious as people say they are.
You know, Dr. Ross, even if they're not serious and Kim believes them, Kim is still going to go to another person because with this topic right here, Kim was just saying that she does not want to go with Kanye ever again. She's doubling down on it.
It's true.
Means Kim is pissed, and Kanye, you messed up your relationship.
Well, Kim's going on to bigger things, and that's just what happens. Not every single person that comes in the eye line and in the sight of you is ready or is made for you. That's just what Kim's realizing, that not everybody is made for her.
That's
So,
right. Let's get into our next hot topic.
For our next hot topic, Miss India just took home the crown for Miss Universe. We're going to put the picture right here, and she looks gorgeous.
Miss India.
Put in the votes because she might be our next She's Hot winner because she is beautiful.
That's right, Dr. Ross. And you know, a lot of people thought it was Miss Paraguay, but Miss India actually ended up winning the whole thing. You know, I want to say congratulations.
Congratulations. Yes?
The Devil Hotline.
Yes. Oh. Oh, well, I'll tell them right now. IK, it appears that our producers have called us on the Devil Hotline, and they said we're going to be changing things up a little bit. The ties on the votes that have came in through the studio audience, you guys, the studio audience has been matched up. It's been a tie. Miss Dawson and Miss India were tied for the win for the She's Hot contest.
And Dr. Ross, they deserve it. They're both
right.
10 out of 10s.
Which means Miss India, we're sorry that we didn't say it earlier, but Miss India, you're also the winner for our She's Hot contest. A 2 for 2 double whammy.
Miss World, Miss India, and Miss Universe.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Let's get into our hot topics.
That's right. For our first hot topic, Britney Spears is fighting for her fortune. This is what she has to say. She says since her conservatorship has ended, she's realized that millions and millions of dollars from her bank account have miraculously been missing. Her lawyers are saying that they blame it on her family, and she said they never stepped up for her, yet they were all getting paid. She's essentially disowning them. Now, what are your thoughts about this, IK, before I put my 2 cents in this?
Thumbs down, first of all. And second of all, do you think lawyers are free?
Where's the money, Lebowski? You want that money, Lebowski? Bunny says you're good for it. Where's the fucking money, shithead?
It's down there somewhere. Let me take another look.
Exactly. That's exactly what I was going to say, IK. What happened was, what I'm thinking is, my assumption allegedly is happening, is Britney Spears went through this whole conservatorship so that she could get all of her money to herself, and then she realized after paying for lawyers for years and years, doing all the managing and firing her parents, that the money that she thought was going to be there is not there because she's been wasting it on other things.
You're right, Dr. Ross. She didn't think about the fees. Think about the fees, the lawyers. You lost money. But we're going to get into our next hot topic, starting it off with...
Lindsay Lohan is now getting married. Lindsay Lohan is one of our childhood sweethearts from Hollywood. Everyone loved Lindsay Lohan. She came in by storm, and then sadly she disappeared for a while. But now it seems like Lindsay is back on her feet. She's sober and she's getting married, and she looks fantastic. What are your thoughts, IK?
This is actually a surprise to me because I came across this a few days ago. But yes, Lindsay Lohan, congratulations. Thumbs up.
On to our next hot topic, Kim Kardashian. We all know she failed it the first time last year, and she went back to repass it. So she just passed
The baby bar. You know, Dr. Ross, the name should be something completely different because that does not sound right.
Exactly.
But Kim, congratulations.
Congratulations on passing.
We know that you allegedly probably paid some people to do this for you.
What's up? We got the whole nigga squad. Yeah, nigga! Let's go!
But still, keep on doing you, Kim. And you know what?
Right.
Kim, I know that you're single. That's for you. I'm single. I'm ready to mingle. Let's get into our next hot topic.
Madonna was... Oh, sorry.
That's right. We're going to get in with Madonna and her 4 kids.
We'll put the picture right here. Madonna and her kids, they were shaking it up. She had her daughter Lourdes in the middle of the salt shaking madness. What are your thoughts, IK?
Salt
Christmas
shakers.
celebration.
That's right, Dr. Ross. Holiday celebrations.
Holiday players.
Celebrate. Let's get into our next hot topic with Simone Biles. She says that she's fought hard and she survived with no regrets.
Exactly. She was on the cover of People magazine looking as beautiful as ever, speaking on an interview about how talking about her mental illness or her mental awareness has really pushed her to be a better athlete.
Let's go into our next hot topic.
That's right, the next People magazine cover.
Our next People cover is talking about America's teachers. Our students were brave and we had to be too.
Congratulations to them, because teachers don't get a lot of recognition that they should.
That's
but,
right.
Congratulations to them.
And not to cut into get too political, but Joe Biden has really been doing a lot for these teachers and a lot for everyone in this time.
Joe Biden said he's raising all the raise just for all teachers so that they can get paid more, paid fairly, how they should.
That's right. Appreciate your teachers.
That's
Get
right.
an apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, let's get into our next cover with Dolly Parton. She's saying, believe in something bigger than yourself.
Dolly Parton has some very, very wise words, and this dress that she has on is absolutely stunning. It really shapes her just perfectly, and Dolly Parton is not a very tall person, but this made her very tall, and she looks beautiful in it.
Keep on playing, Dolly Parton.
Wise words from Dolly.
Wow. We're going to get into our next People cover with Miss Sandra Oh.
Congratulations.
She says we need to move through fear.
Miss Sandra Oh, another one speaking with her wise words. And have you decided whether you're going to go take that check for the next season of Grey's Anatomy? It's going to be on again this Thursday, so we'll see if you're on there.
Oh wow, I thought Grey's Anatomy got canceled.
It never ends. They want to make sure the checks keep coming in. Let's get into our next and our final hot topic.
Anyways, my broskies, I gotta bounce.
Dr. Ross.
That's right.
We're going to talk about Keanu Reeves with the upcoming Matrix 4.
Which we're really excited for the Matrix. We know it's going to be a good movie but the thing I can say is you can't beat the originals, and I feel like they shouldn't have killed off Morpheus and replaced it with the Candyman guy. But that's how the industry works, and that's how Hollywood is.
To the Wachowski brothers, we want to say my sister Dr. Ross and I would be perfect for the Matrix.
That's right. We have the perfect looks for the Matrix.
That's right. We could be the next Morpheus and Neo.
That's right. It'll be a double tag team. One that hands the red pill and then one that hands the blue pill.
That's right.
It's all in the beholder's eye.
What are you doing? Collecting my bounty! Bounty? What are you talking about, cracker? Fuck you!
And you know, Dr. Ross, we're going to do one last thing before we close it off.
That's right.
We're going to talk about the snow bunny, Miss Chloe Kim, the snowboarder.
She looks like a vixen on the ice.
That's right.
That's why we're calling her the Snow Bunny. Miss Chloe Zim is actually one of the top snowboarders right now for the female snowboarding, and she looks good while doing it.
That's right. But these were all of our hot topics for today. And for Kylie Jenner, you've been fired. For Kim, I see that you're single and you're ready to mingle. That's for you. I'll take care of those two or all of your lovely kids. These are all of our hot topics, and we'll see you guys on the next episode of Rose and Gold. We're out.